Anna is 19 years old. She lives in a small town in Brazil. She has a big family, her mother, her father, 2 brothers, and 1 sister. Anna loves her family. She loves her home. But she has a dream. Anna wants to speak English. She wants to travel. She wants to see the world. Her dream is to study in another country. One day, she sees a post online, Learn English in Canada, 6-month program. Live with a host family. Study every day. Anna is excited. She tells her family. Her mother is scared. 6 months is a long time, she says. Her father says, it's expensive. We don't have much money. Anna says, I can work. I can save. Please, let me try. Anna works at a bakery. She saves money for 1 year. She wakes up early. She works long hours. She practices English with videos on YouTube. Hello! How are you? My name is Anna. I am from Brazil. She speaks. Slowly but clearly, after 1 year, she is ready. She has enough money. She gets her passport. She buys a plane ticket to Toronto, Canada. It is her first time on a plane. She is nervous, but also excited. She says goodbye to her family. Her mother hugs her and cries. Be strong, her father says. We are proud of you. Anna arrives. In Canada. It is cold. Very cold. There is snow everywhere. She meets her host family. Their names are Mark and Julia. They have a cat named Cookie. Mark and Julia are very nice. They speak slowly and help Anna learn new words. Every day, Anna goes to English class. She meets students from many countries, China, Mexico, Turkey, Spain. They all speak English together. At first, Anna is shy. She does not speak much. She is afraid to make mistakes, but her teacher says, don't worry about mistakes. Speak. Try. That is how you learn. So Anna speaks. She says, I go to school by bus. Then she says, yesterday, I went to school by bus. She learns new tenses, new words, new grammar. She makes friends. She eats lunch with them. They laugh. They study together. They help each other. One day, Anna goes to the store alone. She wants to buy shampoo. She says to the woman at the store, excuse me, where is the shampoo? The woman smiles and shows her. Anna feels proud. Another day, she helps a new student from Korea. He speaks very little English. She says slowly, Hi. My name is Anna. I can help you. Now, Anna is the helper. After 6 months, Anna speaks English well. She is not perfect, but she is confident. She can talk, read, write, and listen. She can tell her story. She calls her family on video. Her little sister says, Anna, speak English. Anna smiles and says, Hello. How are you? I miss you all very much. Her mother cries again, but this time, happy tears. Before going home, Anna writes a message in her journal, I was scared. I didn't speak much English. But I tried. I worked. I learned. Now, I believe in myself. My dream is not finished. It is only the beginning. Anna returns to Brazil. She hugs her family. But now, she has a new plan, become an English teacher and help other students, just like her.